If you're serious about making money online, you're going to want to pay close attention to what comes next. Why? Because you're about to learn the most valuable money-making skill of all. Copywriting? And, more importantly, how you can easily put it to use immediately. You might think that copywriting is an elite skill bestowed upon others. But the fact is, you too can produce a professional sales letter today, and you can learn exactly how. Do you want freedom and independence too? All these things are possible by applying the system I will show you. Your own profitable online business. Quit your job and get out of the rat race. The lifestyle you always wanted. Security for you and your family. The ultimate money-making skill set. The ability to create multiple income streams. Make your family proud. Introducing the ultimate copywriting formula. This innovative course eliminates all the confusion and guesswork of creating a professional sales letter. It will take you on a step-by-step journey through creating a sales letter from scratch. The formula is scientifically proven, giving you an unfair advantage over all those who are stumbling around trying to figure it out on their own. While others are struggling to get their business making money, you can be the one hitting it out of the park. You'll get 9 video modules fully explaining the formula. We go through each section and create an example for each, building a complete over-the-shoulder example sales letter on screen as you go. You also get a written manual. A downloadable PDF. This is not just a transcript of the video. The course was created first as a standalone written product. You also get the full audio files from the videos. These are downloadable MP3 files, perfect for listening as you're walking, jogging, driving, at the gym, etc. Anybody can follow this simple system. You don't need any special skills or experience. You'll understand the reason for each section of the sales letter, and you'll have formulas and examples for each section that you can easily adapt to any product or market. If you want to find out more, then click the first link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.